style your kitchen. The rule of thumb, depending on, I guess, the size of your island or your bench top and how many nooks you have available, rule of thumb normally is to have a grouping of 3 or 5, or a vignette, they call them, of accessories, kitchen styled accessories that you can put in a corner or on your bench top, which basically just gives it that, you know, interest, visual interest. It adds a bit of color. If you put a grouping of items in a corner on the back, kind of towards the back of your kitchen, it actually makes the eye draw in towards your kitchen and make people focus on how deep your kitchen goes, which is fantastic. You really want people that want to come and have a look at your house, or, you know, buyers, to really look at the entire kitchen as a whole.
Thank you for watching our video.
If you liked it, please press thumbs up.
Yeah, and please share with all your friends, buddies, whoever you think will benefit from this video.
And if you click subscribe, you will see more of these amazing tips and tricks on how to actually style and decorate your home.
Yeah, and if you have any questions, let us know and we'll try and make a video to answer your questions for you.
Yeah. Have a